Hey guys, gather around. Today we are diving into magical yet mythical world of Epson EcoTank L3260, aka printer that doesn't drink ink like a daily protein shake. See, unlike those old dramatic cartridge printers that screams low ink after printing just 50 pages and demand ₹1,000 refill like they are a royalty. This beauty runs on ink bottles. Yes, bottles like it's having its own little inky protein shake and it lasts forever. Okay, maybe not forever, but for rupees 440, the black ink bottle gives you 4,500 pages. That's enough to print your entire childhood backlog homework pages. And the color ink bottle for rupees 600 prints 7,500 pages.
अभी तो वेटिंग कार्ड भी घर पे ही प्रिंट कर सकते हो.
Basically, it's 9 paise for black and 33 paise for color per page. No more running to the shop and giving 20 rupees for that urgent color print. Filling ink in this printer is so simple. Even my chai making skills feel threatened. Just open the lid, flip the flap like you're about to reveal a surprise gift. Insert the ink bottle, press once, and tada! Ink fills automatically like it's pouring itself a drink after a long day. No drama, no rocket science, and since the ink tank is built into the printer, it saves space, unlike drawer full of random USB wires that I still haven't used since 2012. Connectivity full marks. Whether you like to print using your phone or your laptop, this printer has your back. Just download the Epson Smart Panel app, select your document, photo, or even your expired Aadhaar card. No judgment. Pick color or black and white, choose the quality and hit print. Bas, काम हो गया. Print comes out fast, clear and colorful like a digital rangoli. And yes, the rare paper feeder holds up to 130 pages, which means fewer paper refill marathons. Let's print a test page. Open the Epson Smart Panel app. No, it's not a dating app for printers, but it does bring them closer to your heart. Pick what you want to print, photo, document, or your boss's face, maybe. Select color or black and white. Now hit that print button. The colors, though it's like holy on paper, but without the mess. Your paper comes out like, Namaste, I am here. Now let's scan something, because adulting is incomplete without millions of Aadhaar copies. Since I don't want to leak my passport online, I'm using my passport size photo. Always place your document face down on the scanner. Now grab your phone, open the Epson Smart Panel app. Haan bhai, it's smarter than me sometimes. Make sure your printer and phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Otherwise, the app says device not found. Just like your lost pens in school. PDF, JPEG, JPG. Bro, it gives you all formats. Except heartbreak. It also has a Xerox functionality similar to scanning. Just place the paper and you have your Xerox in seconds. Other cool features are borderless printing, voice assistant, ink tank transparency. You can literally see how much ink is left. Like monitoring your fridge before doing Swiggy. And this is energy efficient too. Doesn't consume power like your AC. That's the Epson L3260. Not just a printer, but a full office assistant, therapist, and occasional stress buster. If you want a printer that's budget friendly, ink friendly, and user friendly, this one's a solid pick. Comment below what should I test next with this beast. Sticker label vision boards? Or maybe my pet's face? And hey, if you got any questions or crazy printing ideas, drop them too. I might try them next. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.